Hi guys, Mike from Dirtydog here. Today we're going to show you how to install the pet divider that goes behind the front seats on this vehicle, on the two-door JL. We have the soft top and hard top removed. You don't need to do that when you're doing your install. It just makes us easier for showing the video installation. Also, the seat's removed. You don't have to remove the seat either. Again, just for ease for us to show the installation. So let's start first. I'll show you what's in the package, and then we'll go to start to assemble it and put it together. So here's what you're going to have in your kit. You're going to have your net. You're going to have 2 bars with it. One's got a swedged end. The other one's open for to insert it. You've got 2 straps. You've got a left and right hanger bracket. You've got 2 bungee cords with a ball on the end, and a drill bit that you can go, or a driver bit that goes on the end of the tool that Chrysler or Jeep has provided you with for your vehicle, and that's your parts back inside. So this should be all in your kit when you get it open. All right, for our first step for installation here, we're going to need your left and right L brackets that were in the kit, and you're going to need your Jeep tool that's provided with Jeep, and the Torx bit that we provided to go into the Jeep tool. So what you got to do is you got to take there's a screw right here that you got to remove. It's your first one back from your center pillar. From the inside, you're gonna you might be doing this inside with your hard top on. If you have a soft top, fold your soft top back. It's easier to get at. So we're just going to loosen that screw off. So we're going to look for our corresponding bracket with the right side. Right is your passenger side, left your driver's side. Put the screw back in. Your bracket's going to go in with the screw. We're going to tighten it up. And it sits like that. And we're going to go around the other side, do the same thing the other side. Okay, now that we got both sides installed, we're gonna move on to our next step. All right, the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna put our bar into the top of the net. It's a 2-piece bar, like I said. One end fits into the other end. Slide it in like that, put it together, and then you're gonna grab your net. Your net's gonna have loops across the top. You're just gonna slide the bar through all the way each loop until it gets to the other side. You're going to space the part evenly across the bar like that. And now we're going to put this on our hangers that we just installed in the vehicle. And generally when we install it with the Dirtydog tag facing the front. Your choice. You can spin it either way. It'll work either way for you. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put it on the hanger on one side, hanger on the other side. And we just center it, position it close to what we want. So now we're going to install these corners installed on the footman loop on the side of the vehicle. And basically what you have is you have your bungee cord with your ball. You're going to push the bungee cord through one of the grommets in the corner, around the footman loop here, and then back around the ball. And you can see it looks like that. And it's very simple. We'll go do the same on the other side. Here's the other side. You can get a little better look at it. Through like that, and then through the footman loop. Pull it tight, around the bungee ball like that. And that's that part installed. So, now what you have left is the bottom install, the bottom corner here. We have our long 50-inch straps in there. You're basically going to take your one strap on one side, put it through the bottom grommet, pull it all the way through. Then you're going to take the other end and put it behind the seat post on the floor, behind the seat. And then you're going to come back to the ladder lock, feed it to the ladder lock. Just put it on loosely for now because you'll have to even it out both sides. You don't want to do too tight because you won't be able to get your other side in. So we'll go around and do the other side now. Same thing here. Push through, around the seat post. and pull it tight. So now what we'll do is go back and forth, side to side, make sure it's pulled evenly on both sides. Make sure it's centered. That looks good there. Put your seat back. So there you go, there's your pet divider installed. You can do a couple of things. You can also, if you have a cargo liner, if you're using both the cargo liner and the pet divider, you're going to install your pet divider first, and then your cargo liner gets installed in front of that. If you want to install this with roll bar covers, you will have to make a slight cutout in your roll bar cover where this bracket comes through. It's a small slice you'll have to put into the roll bar covers if you're using with our roll bar covers. The material won't rip, it's a ripstop material, so all you do is put a small slice in, put your bracket in, and you can install it in with you using one of our Dirtydog roll bar covers. That's it for today. Thanks for joining us.